stroll. To walk in a leisurely way. They strolled through the park, enjoying the sunny weather. The family is strolling along the beach. Establish. To set up or create. They plan to establish a new library in the community. The Amazon company was established in 1995. Peer. To look closely or carefully. He is peering through the magnifying glass. The child peered into the dark through the torch.
Fling. To throw something carelessly. She flung her coat onto the chair when she entered the room. She flung the burnt cigarette on the road. Haul. To pull or carry something heavy. The fisherman hauled a large net full of fish onto the boat. She hauled her suitcase up the stairs with great effort. Peruse. To read or examine carefully. He perused the contract before signing it. She perused the menu to decide what to order. Carve. To shape or cut something. He carved the turkey for a good dinner. The man is carving a sculpture on the stone. Steer. To guide or control the direction of. He steered the car carefully through the crowded street. He steered the conversation to an interesting topic. Engage. To participate in or attract attention to. She engaged in a conversation with her friend. The video game engaged the kids for hours. Unseal. To open something that is sealed. He unsealed the jar to prepare the sauce for dinner. She unsealed the envelope to reveal the surprise. snatch. To grab something quickly or abruptly. She snatched her phone from the edge of the table before it fell. The thief snatched the woman's purse and ran away. Operate. To control or manage something. He operates heavy machinery at the construction site. The surgeon carefully operated on the patient. Heave. To lift, pull, or raise something heavy with effort. He heaved the heavy suitcase onto the bed. He heaved the rock with all his strength.